guys, RC Nurse here. Got kicked out of the first place I went to, so I saw this place like 2 miles down the road, and actually I think no one's working, so it looks pretty gnarly. I'll see if I can maybe get on top of the mountain right there, get some jumps off there. But yeah, so main changes, I got a center diff in there right now with 1 million weight fluid and a metal spur gear. Got a new aluminum servo saver, and that's it. So let's give this a run and see how she does. I think I'm getting some body rub on here. Pretty hard. Even with the diff, guys, this is hard to control. What do you say, boys? Let's do it. That was